Today my kids and I are spending the day at Universal Studios, so these are our top 5 favorite things to do at Universal Studios. I do not think the kids would say that French area is their favorite, but it is one of my favorite areas. It is such a cute area, and they have these girls dressed up Parisian-like on stilts. I think it's such a cute, darling area, and my kids climbed on everything there. This was by far Charlie's most favorite ride.
Okay, wait a minute. You gotta look at the camera, and you have to go.
You want to be me?
We are obsessed with the donuts here. And that is a donut for 6 people.
No, you mean 5?
Oh, you're taking a video.
I'm just eating.
Alright.
Is it good?
That's good.
We had to convince Charlie to go on the Transformer ride. He wanted to, but we had just come off the Jurassic ride, and that drop at the end had him kind of worried about other rides. So he ended up loving this one.
No, simply will not do.
Here we go! So much of Universal Studios for me is Harry Potter World. I just think it's so magical. The kids and I watched most of the movies before we came the week before. We're obsessed with Ollivanders, and this year Felicity got chosen. She already has a wand, but it was really cute because after the fact, they let our whole family stay in there, and we said Charlie was the one who's getting a wand today, and they totally did this cute little thing with him.
I believe you are all here to witness a wand fitting, yes?
Charlie, show me your wand. The girls and I are obsessed with Harry Potter's Forbidden Journey, but I will say that Charlie really didn't like it. It was just a little too dark and scary for him. So if you have a kid that's 5 and he's tall, it's probably not for him. Those are amazing.